Oh, hello. My name is Elgin-Skye, and I'd like to talk about creative coding and opening up open source. Specifically, I'd like to talk about P5.js, what it is, and what we as developers can learn from their intentionally inclusive open source community. So P5.js is a JavaScript library that makes it super easy to build interactive art in the browser using the HTML canvas element. It's really fun to use and it's super easy to get started with. So I would like to get people excited about how they could use P5.js in their own project by showing some really cool examples of the work that's been done with P5.js. Next, I'd like to get into a bit more of the technical details. What is it about P5.js that's going to make your life as a developer easier? Then I'd like to talk about my experience working with them as part of Google Summer of Code and give kind of an insider insight into what I've learned while I was working with the organization. One thing that I think is really great about P5 is that although it's used by developers, it was actually built with artists and non-coders in mind. And as a result, inclusivity and accessibility is like just core to all of the work that they do. And I think it would be really great to be able to finish my talk by going over some of the specific practices and activities that the P5 community engages in to help support and encourage new users. So I think this talk is going to be really fun because it's an opportunity to create art in the browser and do something kind of different than just a normal web development project. It's super easy to use, it's really cool, and I really like using it in my own work. And I think it's going to also give us a really great opportunity to start talking about how we can make our own open source communities more accessible to people who are new to coding. So a little bit about me. I'm a master's student at the School of Interactive Arts and Technology in Vancouver, Canada, and I previously worked as a web developer. I've been involved a lot in coding education projects in the past, and I'm super excited about this talk, and I hope you will consider my application. Thank you.